Creating a beautiful garden involves blend of creativity, planning and maintenance. Here are some ideas for garden. Let's get started. Measuring your garden area. Note exciting features such as trees, paths, and structure. Sketch or plant crafting flower beds, vegetables, patches, walkways, and seating areas. Consider focal points like a fountain or a statue. Suited to your climate and soil type. Visit local nurseries and advice and thrives in your region. Dedicate on a color palette. Complementary colors create construct while analogous color offer a harmony. Plant native species to attract local wildlife. Install bird feeders, bird houses, and insect hotels. Choose plants that attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, essential for healthy and garden ecosystem. Spring and summer. Focus on planting, watering, and enjoying blooms. Did had spent flower to encourage more growth. Plant bulbs for spring clean up fallen leaves and start composting. Protect sensitivity plants with a mulch of covers and plant nets ears garden. Watering. Set up an efficient watering system. Drip irrigation saves water and ensures plants get moisture at the roots. Regularly prune plants to maintain shape and health. Weed frequently to keep your garden neat and prevent contamination and nutrients. Apply mulch and retain soil moisture, regulate temperature and sparse weeds. Place benches, swings, or hammocks in shaded spots. Consider a patio desk for larger sitting areas. Install solar lights along paths and ascents light to highlight feature at night. Add garden art planters, decorative items that reflect your personality.